Hi, I'm Jeff with HomeRight Technical Service. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. If you have a Super Finish Max sprayer that's not spraying, there are a couple reasons why that might be happening. I'll show you both problems and how to fix each one. First, if all you get is air when you pull the trigger, you might have a stuck needle tip. Before troubleshooting, make sure you unplug the sprayer and relieve the pressure in the paint container. This is done by unscrewing the cup. You can screw it back on for the next steps. First, remove the locking ring, the air cap, and the directional plate. If the needle tip doesn't move backward when you pull the trigger, unscrew the nozzle from the gun, then loosen the needle tip from the nozzle by tapping the nozzle on a hard surface. Now, put the tip back on the needle. Make sure it's on tightly so it won't stick again. Now, reinstall the fluid nozzle, the directional plate, the air cap, and the locking ring. After that, do some test spraying to make sure your Super Finish Max is spraying like it should. If it's not, and you're still just getting air blowing out, one of two air vent holes may be clogged. Release the pressure from the sprayer by unscrewing the paint container. Then remove the pickup tube. The hole on the pickup tube is very small, so try cleaning out any paint clogs with a paper clip or toothpick. Also clean out the air hole in the cup lid the same way. Now reinstall the pickup tube and paint container and get back to painting. We hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat with us at HomeRight.com. Thanks for watching.